Snail Mucin is everywhere, but honestly, most of them caused more breakout and just didn't work for my oily acne-prone skin. It felt like I was stuck, but lately I decided to put the Quench Snail Mucin range to the ultimate test to see if it really works. Okay, so first is the Quench Snail Mucin serum, which deeply hydrate along with niacinamide to control oil and brighten the skin. The texture is silky, not sticky, and it absorbs quickly into the skin. And the second is the Quench Snail Mucin moisturizer with gel creme texture that's lightweight and non-greasy, featuring snail mucin, cica, and niacinamide for plump, smooth, and well-moisturized skin. Together, they are formulated for Indian skin and climate without clogging pores, exactly what oily and acne-prone skin needs. Plus, it is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic. Okay, so it's my first day and I started with the serum followed by the moisturizer. The serum glided on effortlessly, leaving no residue, and the moisturizer sealed everything in with a soft, smooth finish. My skin instantly felt refreshed, hydrated, and comfortable, zero heaviness. By day 5, my skin felt noticeably more balanced. My T-zone was not getting greasy as fast and those mole breakouts looked calmer. The texture felt smoother and both products layered beautifully under my makeup without any peeling. After 2 weeks of consistent use, the difference was truly noticeable. My skin felt softer, calmer, and much more hydrated. Redness around my breakouts had reduced significantly, and my overall complexion looked more even toned and refreshed. While my older acne marks were not completely gone because, of course, that take time, but my skin barrier felt incredibly stronger and healthier, which is a huge win for preventing future issues. If you have oily or acne-prone skin and need a duo that truly repair, hydrate, and calms without making your skin greasy, the Quench Snail Mucin serum and moisturizer are definitely worth trying. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have enjoyed, please consider subscribing to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.